How to create a viral animated avatar and get millions of views. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about some crazy insights on making a viral animated avatar and getting tons and tons of views for it. I've made hundreds and thousands of dollars on social media by following the best trends and capitalizing on what works lately. I've noticed that some of the most viral content on the internet is using AI generated mascots, and since that I decided that my new social media look would be an animated avatar and getting fully monetized in less than 45 days. And I know that it worked. In fact, by far the biggest request I get on my small channel is to show people how to make an animated character like mine. So let's start going into this, and let me show you like people myself who have quality information to share but also have no interest in becoming an influencer or putting my face all over the internet. So today I'll be showing you the 3 best ways to actually create animated characters online, including exactly how I designed the one you're seeing right now in front of you. Okay, so the chances of going viral are pretty great, and before we get into the method, we should understand that having an animated character is important if you want to finally start a YouTube or Instagram account and don't really want to show your face. And trust me, the comment sections might be brutal, because showing your face is not for everyone. And maybe the comments bug you if someone says something bad about your face. So, in to protect yourself from the internet in those cases, you can make a faceless channel. And if you just post boring information like motivational videos, that's probably gonna make your users go away. So without further ado, let's get into the method of doing this. Okay, and you can obviously use different AIs to help you make these things. So first of all, the first thing that we're going to be discussing is D-ID. Okay, D-ID is a digital people platform where you're going to create your avatar. But to create our avatar, we actually need a external software that will help design our avatar. So to design our avatar, we're going to come over to midjourney.com. Now, I'm pretty sure you people have heard of midjourney.com. It's really famous. It's really amazing. Tons and tons of people have heard it. And it's one of the uprising art tools out there. It's absolutely amazing when it comes to AI art, and it's out of this world. So let me show you how you're going to actually start with this. So you're going to click on join the beta. And once you click on join the beta, what's going to happen is that it's going to send a Midjourney invite to your Discord. Okay. And look at this, 1.1 million people are online currently, and it has 14.6 million members. How crazy is that? So you're going to obviously accept the invite. Now, I already have a Midjourney server, so I'm just going to open up my Discord to give you an example of how things are going to be. So once you join Midjourney's Discord server, let me show you how it's going to look like. So you're going to come over to your Discord. Obviously, when you're working in Midjourney, it's gonna solely depend on your prompts. So let's say here's Midjourney. Now this is what you're gonna land on, and obviously things are pretty, you could say, difficult to understand. Like there's a lot of things going on. Trust me, don't worry, it's gonna be a piece of cake. So you're gonna come to this left-hand side place over here where you're gonna see these newbie rooms, okay? So just choose any one of them. Let's say I'm gonna go with newbies 89. Okay, just go over here. And once you do that, scroll to the bottom. Once you're over here, you're gonna start adding prompts, okay? So prompting is pretty different, and prompting is what you're thinking about your character, what they're wearing, the lighting, the specific entities, and be as specific as possible, because as specific as you are, you're going to get the better result. And you can use any different prompts with different newsletters and descriptions, or you can use any artistic design that you want to. As you can see, people have added prompts: Jim Morrison standing in a room with a clawfoot tub and candle. So look at that. How cool does that look? And it actually makes real time photos as well, which is pretty great. And it's absolutely out of this world, like the detail, the attention to detail and all that. It's really amazing. So to basically add a prompt, what you are going to be doing is you're going to basically come over here. You're going to do slash, you're going to write imagine, and you're just going to start adding your prompt from here on out. So let's say I want to make a Drake AI. Okay, we all know Drake, the great artist. So we're just gonna, add Drake, trench coat, fancy, posh. You're gonna add prompts like this. And once you do that, just click on enter. And just like this, these prompts over here, it's gonna load your prompt up. Now, I already have my Drake prompt loaded up, so I'm just gonna directly upload it into my D-ID. Okay, so you're gonna come up to your D-ID once you have your prompt made up. We're going to come over here. As you can see, we have all these things going on. So you're going to click on start now for free and all that. And once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on create video, or you can just come up to video library. That totally depends on you, but obviously a more important thing would be going on creating a video. Now here it says choose a presenter. So obviously to choose a presenter, what you're going to do is you're going to add your very own. Okay, we're going to add the one that we used. So here it's going to say sign up and everything. So it's going to ask us to sign up. Obviously that is exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to be using an email. Okay, you're going to set up your password. It's really easy sign up process. Okay, make sure the password is strong enough. And once you do all of this, it's going to ask you for verification. So just come up over here. As you can see, it says verify your email. So just go ahead, verify yourself, confirm your account that, hey, okay, this is me. This is not some type of innate scam. So once you do that, just fill in their questions. How would you describe yourself? I'm just going to go with this. Mainly use the ID for. I'm going to go with this. Click on next. Just go with any random stuff. And once you're taken in, go on create a video, go on add presenter. And now this is the part where we're going to choose our Drake AI. So this is the Drake prompt that I created. Okay. And you're going to make sure that it's clear enough that Drake's face is actually, or, whatever AI you're using, you don't necessarily need to be Drake. Basically, you're going to choose the photo. And in some cases, seems that the photo that you're trying to upload contains content. Now, I don't know why it says this content is going against their guidelines, but in some cases, it might say stuff like that. Okay, you don't need to worry about things like that. Just go ahead and add another different type of image. Like I have a dense PNG background like this. So once you've added this, what you're going to do over here is you're going to go ahead and type your script. So you're going to write, hi, my name is Drake and I will show you how I got so rich. Okay, let's say I'm just going to write that. Now obviously you're going to go ahead and choose the voices. Obviously, if you're choosing the premium voices, you are going to need to upgrade to the premium plan. So I'm going to head over to the male voices. You can actually upload voice audio. Okay, you can add Drake's own voice. Okay, so create more realistic videos by uploading your own voice. So, I can upload Drake talking, which is pretty great and incredible stuff. So, to actually upload Drake's voice, we can, go on YouTube and search Drake's name. But for this video's purpose and in our case, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to go ahead and use some random, let's use Jason. So 10 words preview limit. So, just for an example, I'm just going to go with 10 words right now. And once you do that, you can also choose different styles that we want Drake to talk in. So here's the styles. It could be cheer, hopeful, friendly, excited. I'm going to go with excited. And once we do this, let's go ahead and generate the video. And let's actually see how it's going to look. So once you have this video, you can obviously, ask it to play the video. Now, currently, our account does not have credits, okay? So to actually generate the video, you're going to need to have credits in your account. But as you can see, your video is, normally till now you're done. Like this is how your avatar is going to be created. And trust me, it's a piece of cake making videos with D-ID. And like you don't necessarily need to. Yeah, so wait, let me just obviously the video isn't moving right now because of our trial, or we're like on the free trial. And on that, as you can clearly see, it says our account does not have enough credits to generate this. So just make sure to upgrade yourself to the highest plan. And once you do that, obviously from there on out, you can start generating these videos. But you clearly saw how easy it was for me to generate and design an AI. And once you do that, just add it in D-ID, add your text, then you're gonna add your voice. And once you're done with that, yeah, pretty much that is about it. That is how you're going to create a viral animated avatar and get millions of views using that avatar on YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you are going to be using D-ID and Midjourney to help yourself create one of the greatest AI animations out there and, start your faceless YouTube channel. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. And I hope you enjoyed watching that video. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.